Hi guys, welcome to another video. In this video I'll be showing guys how to do speech recognition in Python. So let's get started. So the first thing you guys need to have is Python installed on your computer, and you guys can check this video to learn on how to do that. So let's go to the video. So the first thing you're gonna do is to search speech recognition Python, and we're gonna go into this library, you guys. So we're gonna be installing this, and as I said before, you guys need to have Python installed. We're gonna open the command prompt as admin, so let's do that. Now I saw that message. Okay, so now I have the command prompt as admin, and I can just copy and paste, or I can just type pip install speech recognition. Okay, so by doing this, I have this cached because I had previously installed. This goes without a problem, but if you guys do have a problem, it will probably be because you don't have PyAudio installed on your computer. So let's learn how to install PyAudio on Windows. Just type Python Windows files, and you guys will come to this website. Python Windows wheels, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, and you came to this website here, guys, and we can search for PyAudio. Here we go, and here we can see the wheel files for many Python versions. I'm using the 3.7, so I would need to download this. So you just download this file and install on your computer. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna download this file just to show you guys how to do that. Okay, so now we have pywin, and I think I can do pip install PyAudio. Let's see if this is going to work. Yeah, this did work. So you can try to do this to see what it works for you guys, but I just show you guys, and if that does not work, you just copy this path of the file, and you just type here pip install and the path to that file, and this should also install PyAudio. So this is great. Now just go and start writing the code. So here I have this file, and I'm gonna write the basic, which is import speech underscore recognition as SR. We're gonna create the recognizer object, recognizer. We're gonna tie this into a loop in a minute. Let's type with sr.microphone. This is going to instantiate the microphone as mic. Inside of a while loop, we're gonna do audio is going to be equal r.listen. So this is going to capture the audio, and it is going to use the AVD algorithm to capture the audio. After that, we can simply print the output, and to print the output, one thing that you guys need to do is to install Phoenix. So let's just do this. If we wanna have this option, let me install Phoenix, and this is going to be done just in a second. And I'm gonna print you said I'm not typing y, you said, and here we're gonna put r.recognize underscore sphinx audio. So this is going to recognize the speech using the Sphinx engine. So this library is pretty good because it offers multiple engines to do speech recognition, and this is probably the most basic, and it works offline. Let's try to run this, guys, to see what happens. Okay, so as you guys can see, it says that Sphinx is not set up correctly on my computer. So we're gonna have to wait until the Phoenix file is downloaded, which is going to take just under 2 minutes. Okay, so the download is done. It's now being installed on my computer. After that, we're going to try again and see if we are able to recognize speech using Phoenix. And this works offline. Just a reminder, you don't need internet connection in order to run this after you've installed all of its dependencies. Okay guys, seems that we did have a problem trying to install Box Phoenix. Let's try again. Let's try to run again, and if you encounter this problem. So yeah, I did have this problem because I need to install Visual Studio in order to compile the Box Phoenix on my computer. But there is another way which we just saw here guys, which is this website in which we can find multiple compiled Python wells. So let's just search for Pocket, and it shows me Box Phoenix, and let's download the 3.7, and it is going to be this one, and this should be enough. Okay, so by doing this you don't need to install Visual Studio, which will save a lot of time. So I think this is the recommended steps to quickly install Box Phoenix on your computer. So after the download is complete, let's just copy the path of this file, and now let's install using the prompt command. Okay, now it's all done. As you guys can see, it's pretty fast. Let's try to run this program that we've written, and let's go. Okay, it's working. As you guys can see, I'm doing speech recognition by just speaking. Okay, nice. And so this is the offline version, okay? This will work regardless if you have internet or not. So this is it guys, this is how you do speech recognition on Python. There are other ways in which I'm gonna show you guys how to do that in other videos. Each method has its pros and cons. I think this one is pretty good, and you guys can share what you guys think about this in the comments down below. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.